Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install n8n on Google Cloud Platform's free tier. Using this demo project, you will get your own free n8n automation server running in the cloud always online, even when your computer is off. Let's get started. Alright, before we do anything, let's quickly check what's included in the GCP free tier, so you won't get any surprise charges. Let's go to the official GCP free tier page and take a look what's covered in GCP for free. You should use an E2 micro located in one of these regions: US West 1, US Central 1, US East 1, only up to 30 GB. Standard persistent disk storage is free, and only 1 GB of outbound data per month is free. Once you are familiar with the free tier, let's set up your VM instance. To set up our GCP VM instance, follow these steps. First step, go to the computer engine and click Create Instance. For name, we will create a n8n demo test. For region, select one that supports the free tier. Here we choose the Iowa, US Central 1. For machine type, select E2 mic to fit the free tier. Then we will choose OS and storage and change the OS to container optimized OS. And under boot disk type, select the standard persistent disk and update the size to 30 GB to fit the free tier limit. And click select and select the networking. Check allow HTTP traffic, because we will use the external IP to connect our n8n instance. And then click Create, which wait for the VM to be created. This may take a few minutes. Once the VM is running, click the SH button to open a terminal. It might take a few seconds to authorize. Click Authorize. In the meanwhile, we can go to the n8n install guideline and scroll down, click Start, and we will use the Docker to install, and copy this command to create a Docker volume. Since Docker Container Optimized OS already has Docker installed, we can check it. Yes, it is. So we can enter this command to create a volume, and then the next command is will install n8n and run it. But we need to change the host port to 80 port, because our host port is allow HTTP traffic to mapping the n8n Docker container 5678 port. So enter it. After running this command successfully, we need to wait a few minutes for n8n to start up. When n8n is started, you can see here the n8n started on localhost 5678 port, mapping to our VM instance internal IP, and we can visit this. By default, n8n uses secure cookies, which require HTTPS. Since we are using HTTP for a free tier, we need to set the environment to disable the secure cookies. Add an environment to n8n container to avoid cookie errors. So go back to the terminal, Ctrl+C. Add an environment to n8n container. Here, -E for environment. And copy this environment, set false, and run it. After the n8n is running, we can reload the page. So you can see the n8n setup page. That's it. You now have your own n8n automation server running on GCP's free tier. If you have your own domain, I recommend you can using the n8n Docker KD. It will be very handy for set up a reverse proxy and your custom domain. That's all. Thanks for watching. Enjoy automating your workflow. Goodbye.